Hello everyone, this is Devin Davis with another Genius tutorial. Let's get into it. Today we're going to be talking about all of the buttons and controls in your iDrive 7. So if you have an X3 that has iDrive 7, 3 series, 2 series, anything with iDrive 7, this will work on all of them and we'll be able to get you all set. Let's get into it. So starting with the door, you have your lock and unlock buttons. If you want to set your seat, you click set, and then 1 on the screen, you'll see that your current seat position has been saved. Your buttons down here, your mirrors. So right now it's pushed to the left. I can now control the left mirror. And if I push this to the right, I can now control the right mirror. Then of course your window controls for the front and then rear. This is the window lock, only you'll be able to control the back. All right, now for your seat settings. This one here pushes it forward, back, up or down. This one moves your seat forward or back, adjusting towards your back, however you like to sit as well. This is your lumbar support. So this here, trying to see if you can get a good look at it, kind of inflates these here, so that way it holds you in place. That way if you're making any sharp turns, certain things like that, you're not sliding around in your seat. It actually holds you in place. And then this one here actually inflates a little airbag inside the seat. And what happens is you can adjust where it inflates, so that way it gives you more support for your back here. Again, my name is Devin Davis with another Weatherford BMW Genius tutorial. Catch you guys next time.